Hello, and welcome to Microwave Dinner. I've been playing game. I've been playing this game before, so I'm start my main CFO play game. And yeah, let's do this game. Skin. All right, let's work on now. Yeah, I think I actually didn't complete the hotel thing. Am I pretty sure of it? Skip. Where's the hotel thing? I need to go back. I need to go back. Pretty sure. Wait. Oh. I think I'm maybe pretty sure, but oh well. Okay, so let me just be over here. Yep, right here. So yeah. Also, guys, I kind of fixed the FPS of the OBS thing. I'm not sure how it's gonna work out the OBS thing, but I think I put like 60 FPS on the recording thing. I hope that works because I don't know at all. The thing is, I'll watch the video on my computer, and then I'm pretty sure it'll work. This time, I have no idea at all. But well, so can my game crashed? Hold on, guys. Alright, cause I'm back in the game now, and Susan, my game just freeze completely. For no goddamn reason. I can't even fix that somehow. I I was trying to find like t- tutorials completely, and it was kind of risky. It was kind of risky to do that on my Roblox app thing. So yeah, I am not gonna try to fix the fucking freezing thing and crashing, and that's it. Like it keeps freezing on me. Like I'm not sure why, but well. Right, so wait, why is it called like beat me like blue key? I'm gonna use that thing. Pretty sure. Hold on. Maybe maybe it's like upstairs. Pretty sure. I have no idea at all. Hold on. Hmm. Right. So give me these. Okay. So to pick up the blue key now or not? I have no idea at all. Is something behind here? No. There is a fucking ticket badge. Oh wait. Damn it. What the hell happened? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Got a ticket. Find this ticket hat in the hotel room. Which is in the bathroom. Which is weird in the shower. But well then. That's a new achievement clearly, so got a ticket also. So I open it. Please culture gets up there always. Wait. What's I know what's going on here? What's over here? Hey, get okay. Oh, this room. This freaking room. Oh, cup of water. I got the water fixes pretty sure. I think I'll pop that once. Wait. I can't do that at all. Well. Give me these. Go upstairs and then grab the soap. There it is. Give me that soap. Alright. Now, we go upstairs and what's looking for? Something else in the fucking hotel? No idea at all. I think it's more than upstairs. Yep. Wait. Oh, okay, that's why. And they use it. Alright, it's over here. Is it over here? Good. Alright. No, it's over here. Wait. You can't push the key. Can you? Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I was actually pushing the fucking cheese thing on the sword thing, and I completed it somehow or something. How did that by doing the fucking pushing me kinda. I'm not sure why, but okay then. Wait, the soap thing. How do I? I'll give you that. So, I'm gonna put downstairs for a bit. So, yep. So. Push this thing. No, okay, something. No, no. Okay, so. No, come on. Is it in now? Okay, I just okay. It was in there fully. Oh, it's in now. Let's go. Give me this already. I go down here, do that, push, then. Okay. I'd see it's impossible. Wait, how I get this girl over there? Oh wait, okay, I know how. Pretty sure. He's over here. I think these. Yeah, that works out completely. Thank you. Although, just use a cut the door thing. Pretty sure. I don't know why it was a little bit. I know a little bit, but I guess. Okay, so do this one also. Okay, I can't go back. I'm pretty sure of it, but that might work. I'm pretty sure. So E can put over here. Then one here also. Then like over here. Okay, it almost getting the fucking bus up again. No. Okay, that could be just in my life a little bit. No, that could be, you know. Okay. Wait, where's the spot set? Huh? It's not even here, completely. I thinking like every room completely, but I think the game is bug cell, but I think it's bugged. Oh, I'm not getting this game. I'm not gonna make the whole dev thing again. I'm pretty sure. Alright, so where's the island thing? Also, yeah, I think I missed a like a false here, like up there, but I had no idea I should up there somehow. And because of there at all. No idea at all. So you can't fit that thing, pretty sure you can't do that. Yeah, I can't do the full thing. so I can do it also, but can I do this? No, I can't at all. But well, where is the lighthouse? Okay, it's there. Cool. Alright, so alright, so open this. Oh wait, the hotel is bugged, so I might change the server and that's it. To fix the bug for some reason. I'm not sure to get there, but it's in the lighthouse. Okay, it's a single one, I guess. I think it's the obby. I think so. Okay, it's more things to do. And there is that, I guess. So, comes the safe also. Wait a second. Axe? Why is there an axe here? Fuck on axe. Why is there an axe here? Don't do that thing. What's that? Wait, so is something that's the whole hobby? I think it is completely, but I'm not really at all. But I think it is completely. But yeah, it is. Okay, if it's hobby. Get no. Wait a minute, again, man. So wait, so up here, these paintings over here also is here. Alright, so alright. Now up here completely, but okay, okay. So like over here completely. So yep. Wait, no. What the hell to do there? It's the whole obstacles and that's it? Like, huh? So so how am I get up there somehow? Nah. No. I freaking hate this. Huh? Oh, what? Huh? Thank you. Now, help us get up there somehow. The hell? Why did you actually do it? I wasn't sure the game. Didn't like. Okay, what? Yeah, I think I'm doing this right now, pretty sure, but I have no one to do this. Okay, so oh. I think I'm going to do this off camera, pretty sure. I think so. So I'll just like pause this and like unpause it, okay? I'll be up there, pretty sure. Then alright guys, I'm now here. So I did it actually. Let's go. Alright, I cleared it actually. Alright. And now I'm going with dinner completely. And I tried Android shouldn't serve because the freaking the hotel thing. I think I should actually leave all of them, but I just like I actually like talking to them first and that's it. I actually know pretty bit, but only a little bit. I just have to actually start talking to them first a little bit. I just should like I just should just talk to them first and that's it. Like I just be like every freaking room in the hotel, and I'm not really going to fix the hotel or not. So I just bring into the hotel and do that. No, don't. So yeah, I'll be back in the game also because of the bug game mess. But let's go back, I guess. Alright, guys. So I found the reduction in the cutscene of the lighthouse. There's a goddamn ticket up there. I want to get actually. I want to get there right now because there's a whole damn ticket right the hell there. But how does it get up there somehow? Like I'm pretty sure like somehow do that. Um. Okay. Okay. No, I think I can't do this. I'm pretty sure though because I think Oh. No. Okay. So how does it get up there some reason though? I'm gonna do this bit for sure. But I think I can get some. I think I actually get some up there somehow. But let's go in the hotel now. Alright, now we're at the hotel again. So let's talk to him now instead of like doing something easily. I'm pretty sure. Alright, so let's do this. Now let's do this shit. And I'll cut the action in the pool area. So yeah. Alright, back now in the pool, I guess. Alright, let's do it again, I guess. Just like over here. Then over here. Can't jog longer actually. Wait, what the hell? Mind then. So here, drop that. Then no, I can't drop that yet. What the? Okay, I found it in the ball thing. Thank you. Nope, we can just go over here. Come on. Give me this. Right, so there's some be over there and suppose wait, where? Where is completely? I don't understand you. You missed one in the top of the floor hall. And that's the. Oh, John, I keep pressing E because of the dog log thing. Alright, thank you. Alex, okay, let's go. Are there actually some things missing, Chloe? I don't think pretty sure. I'm checking. Let me see. So, like, the main hallway, but where? What's the main hallway gonna be? Is it like in somewhere, like over here? No, it's not even near, Chloe. Is it upstairs? Or not? Cause I like cleaning everything in the hotel a little bit, but it counts of like cleaning the thing in the hotel a little bit, but oh, there is. There's a key. Seriously, there's not a key somewhere. Like where the the fucking door. You fucking bastard. It's the great fucking door. But where's the key? Oh my god. It's been here the whole time. I am super dumb as hell. Okay. Where is it at? Isn't that thing for 4? I'm pretty sure. So, go. Finally. Now, I have to pull it again because the freaking map to go the pool area now again because there's stuff's in there in the water, fully in water. I have to get back to reason though somehow. Please don't yourself off, thank you. Oh, it's Jack again, probably so. Like, what 2 bathrooms? Where does it go? 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 Did it respawn to another? Oh shit. That's a problem. Completely a problem. Oh, yes, there. Go. Okay, how we go upstairs completely. So like 1 bathroom completely though. And what do you mean the main hall? Hold on. I think I have no idea, but I think it smells like a Okay, so look at that. I have to like do that. And what's the bathroom for though? Because where the hell was that? The training could believe so good. So give me this also. Then where's the bathroom thing? I haven't peeled back the fuck is this at all. It's not right here fully, so. So what's the last one gonna be? the bathroom's pretty sure. Let's see about that. What do you mean? You missed one in the top floor hall. What do you mean the top floor hall? What is that supposed to mean? That's the whole thing? That was the whole freaking thing. And the last one is the hole. But where? What's the hole mean? Huh? In here? No. Sure not. No, it's not near at all. Where the hell was it? Is it like in here or not? I have no idea actually. Tell us in the chat. What? The heck? Uh, uh, okay, I am manga ask Papa Moria from the chat. I don't know what I'm saying at all, but what the fuck was that emoji? So, where to find the last room? Well, the hallway thing. Oh, it's right there. I think you noticed it. That's why. Now I get it now. Alright guys, so tomorrow I should go to school, pretty sure, I guess. I'm not sure why, but okay then. Let's go get some. But I feel like it's before I have a long ass break, and that's a pretty short bit, but I completely a bit. Well, anything I completed, let's go, boy. Alright, so please, but please, thank you. Not give me it now. Thank you. I'm completing the world, not. Thank you, Michael Bimmer again. Let's go. Alright, what's next now? Did we get anything in the in-place complete bit? So I pick that one. Is it? I pick that one. Is there? So hot ticket. Okay, now the lighthouse. Wait, speed diver and under without jumping. Impossible. Okay. Oh wait, it gets that thing. Oh, there's more things in the thing. The restaurant and the hotel thing. Pool body. Put up a pool tools in the water. Okay then, but we're in the pool area again, right? Now I'm here, guys. Okay, I just got it. Now, let's keep going. Alright, let's go to the fucking. Not like 2 tickets. I'm gonna go to the hand machine thing. I forgot what it is though, but I forget what it is. I think where it's pretty sure. It's like over here. Nope. It's not you completely. I'm done. Damn it. Alright, so, what the f is that? Sorry about that. I could do it the whole time. And that's it. Oh god. Okay, where's the hat thing again? Is it like there? The whole time I'm not. I've done that before, pretty sure. I think I know to try to put it, but yeah, they're almost here. So let's go this time. Let's see what I got in here. Where are we going now? Let's see. Alright. Let's see. So this one here. Okay, now I got. Let's see. Okay then. I'll use that pretty sure because it has like a fucking camera hat. A fucking camera hair, I'm pretty sure. Well, I'm not getting that. Alright, so it's this one. Alright. I got the 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 freaking top hat. Let's go. Let's see. Outfits. The top hat fits completely. Wait. It's pretty cool, but I got the top hat better than this completely, so yep. See? Nah, I like that hat completely, so yep. Paint. I don't like. I don't like orange with top hat, but I need like 10 stars to to get a fucking like a star from and like the pool party. So, let's see. The soup thing. Free weird fixing to the soup. Wait, and that's it. Then, oh yeah. So, restaurant. Alright, let's go. Let's go. So let's get something what's done now. But it's right here. I have the orange skin. I have the orange skin of the robot, and then and that's it. So like I like three weird things, and that's it. Something okay, where the hell is it? Oh, wait. This thing up here. Okay then. So how about to get up there for some reason? Like, they're like. Oh my god, like police, so yep. It's right there. So yep. Let's go, my boy. Let's freaking go. Oh, it's easy. Now the free green thing. Is it? It's not. It's not even here, but wait. Nope. Nope. Okay. 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 How to find like how to find like three rare things and that's it. It's like in here. It's not even in here. Wait. Oh wait, there is something here. A ticket. Oh my god. Wait. Alright, so got no one here. I got 2 tickets now. If I'm doing that. Where's the like really weird ingredients here? Like somewhere? I have no idea what the hell is it, but I think listen, do do bring the whole soap in that set for sure. And also, I'm not actually I know yeah, I have no idea, but they have like 2 of these stuff in this and the second one also, and the things as like stars probably so. Fun and cleaving service. Okay then. I'll do that. Like so. Where the hell is the cleaning service thing? It's like here. Found it. Yes, sir. I knew it. Find this ticket hat and hidden in the pool room. Alright then. Let's find that. I'm not trying to take like 100%. Cause I don't know why. Because I on, it keeps falling off. No, 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 no. It has to keep going. Come on, man. Damn it, no. In hell. No, 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 no. Stop falling off, you idiot. Alright, guys. I'll go to. I'll complete this, alright? And then we'll back at the end. We'll do actually the fucking hat machine thing. I'm close, but up there, alright? I actually to give up the badging I wanted was this thing, but I didn't get it because the thing is, Beth in the pool the fucking pool items was like keep falling off it keeps it keeps pissing me off the whole time, so I need to do that this time. Oh, that's that's cool, yes. Alright. Okay, guys. I got good, pretty sure. Come on, play some good. Play some good. Please. Ooh. Not going, but okay then. Is the last ticket I have, and then we end the video. Alright, guys. A hat, classic hat. And guys, thanks for watching the playing this game the first time, but goodbye, guys. See you in the next video, I guess. Bye.